A lot of barndominium clients come to me really frustrated. They've already talked to the quote-unquote experts, and somehow they're more confused than when they started. It's not because the advice was bad per se, it's because it was partial. One person talks land, another talks building, another talks financing, and each one sounds confident, but no one owns the full outcome. So clients are left trying to connect advice that doesn't quite line up and wondering why something feels off. Barndominium projects don't need more experts. They need one strategy that connects land, plans, builders, and financing. When everything fits together, everything comes back to clarity, and progress finally feels real. You know you want one. I'm the Barndo chick. Click the link.